So next what we're going to focus on is basically I want to show you another item which is quite familiar in many design items, which is what we call the minimap. So basically the minimap is a mini version of the main one. However, what is very important here is the minimap. If you look at here, you can see here this item here, it basically pinpoints where your cursor is right now, like this. So you can see here, it's now pinpointing this. If I go here, it jumps up here. And next, what's interesting is, for example, if you go in here, like that, where we are basically getting this entire curly braces, what happens then if I select that, it will highlight that specific area as well. So that's a quite useful item as well to see. Next, what I want to focus on is this item here is what we call the Glyph Margin. And the Glyph Margin is basically space between this point till here, to the rows here, but this is for debugging. So when we click on this, we can start to debug that specific area, so the code will stop loading from that point. This can be very useful, and this is what we call breakpoint, where it stops the code, and so you can cross-check if your code is working. Very useful if you have a long file with a lot of code in there.